Alright guys, today we are going to be cooking TGI Fridays loaded potato skins, cheddar and bacon. I already have them putting in the air fryer, in the power air fryer. And let's see here. On here it says to preheat oven for 450, which we don't have to do that. But you're going to bake them for about 21 minutes. Now, when I cook French fries, I cook them at 400, and normally the time is cut in about half. I don't know how a full baked potato is going to be, so we're going to just test this out. We're going to do it in 5-minute increments and then kind of move them around in there. You can't flip them, so we're going to do that. So let's go over here, turn the bad boy on, 400. Whoops. All right, we'll check that out and come back and see what's going on in about 5 minutes. See you then. We have been in the 5 minutes now, and you can smell them in the air pretty hardcore, man. But man, they already look good, don't they? So I am just going to move them around and cook them for another 5 minutes. And I believe that's going to be it. But I mean, you can look and see. Man, they already look good, don't they? All right. I'm going to move them around and cook them for 5 more minutes. And we're going to see where we're at. Right, so I cut it off at about, it still had about 1.5 minutes left on it. So they cooked a total, and you can see this right here is like probably way overdone. I should have checked them. I should have put them in there for another 2 minutes. So if you cook these, I would say cook them for 6 or 7 minutes total. I think they're going to be done. Let me cut into one real quick and let's see what's going on with that. Let me cut into one. Okay, there you go. They are definitely done. And so no more than 6 or 7 minutes total. Like I did it for 8.5, which is probably even a little bit too much for me, and y'all know that I like everything burnt. So anyway, go test it out. These were the TGI Fridays potato skins, and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.